Looking for a convenient way to enjoy drinks anytime? The best hot and cold water dispenser provides instant access to both refreshing cold water and steaming hot water, making it perfect for homes, offices, and busy kitchens alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Brio Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The Brio Hot and Cold Water Dispenser offers a convenient and stylish solution for home or office hydration. Designed as a bottom-loading water cooler, it eliminates the strain of lifting heavy 5-gallon bottles, fitting both 3- and 5-gallon jugs with ease. This feature ensures smooth operation while maintaining a clean and organized space. The dispenser offers 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature, making it versatile for every drinking preference. Whether you need a refreshing cold drink on a hot day or a soothing cup of tea, Brio provides it instantly. Safety is a priority with the child safety lock on the hot water spout. The 2-step release mechanism ensures that hot water is dispensed only intentionally, giving peace of mind for families with young children. The dispenser is also equipped with smart technology that alerts you when the water bottle needs replacement. This eliminates guesswork, streamlining maintenance and ensuring a constant supply of fresh water. Its innovative design, featuring stainless steel accents, complements any environment while delivering high functionality. The cabinet is spacious enough to accommodate standard bottles, yet compact enough to fit comfortably in kitchens, offices, or break rooms. Beyond aesthetics, Brio's design emphasizes practical use, with an easy-to-operate dispensing system and straightforward cleaning process. Whether you're hosting guests, refilling bottles, or preparing hot beverages, the Brio Hot and Cold Water Dispenser makes every task effortless. Number 2. Electactic Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The Electactic Hot and Cold Water Dispenser is a sleek and efficient water cooler designed for busy households or offices. With a top-loading design for 5-gallon bottles, it provides easy visibility of water levels, allowing timely replacement and uninterrupted hydration. This dispenser offers hot and cold water on demand, with cold temperatures around 59 degrees F and hot water reaching 194 degrees F, perfect for tea, coffee, or instant meals. It boasts a high flow rate of 4 liters per hour for both hot and cold water, ensuring rapid filling of cups or bottles. Quiet operation makes it ideal for kitchens, home offices, garages, and even apartment spaces. One standout feature is the built-in ice maker, capable of producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a total daily capacity of 26 pounds. This makes the Electactic dispenser particularly useful during hot weather or for entertaining guests. Safety is a top consideration, with a child lock feature on the hot water spout to prevent accidental burns, while a removable drip tray simplifies cleaning and maintenance. The water cooler's freestanding design allows it to fit conveniently into various spaces, blending practicality with modern aesthetics. Users appreciate the combination of multiple functions in a single unit, dispensing hot, cold, and room temperature water while providing freshly made ice. Number 3. Euhomy Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The Euhomy Hot and Cold Water Dispenser provides a reliable and convenient solution for accessing clean water at your preferred temperature. Its bottom-loading design supports both 3- and 5-gallon bottles, making it easy to replace heavy jugs without lifting. This water dispenser offers hot, warm, and cold water options, allowing you to customize your hydration experience for tea, coffee, or chilled beverages. Safety is a priority, with a child safety lock on the hot water button to prevent accidental burns. The lock uses a 2-step mechanism to ensure secure dispensing, giving peace of mind to families with young children. A self-cleaning function further enhances convenience, automatically cleaning the water tank to reduce the accumulation of harmful substances. This feature minimizes maintenance and ensures that every drop of water is fresh and safe to drink. The Euhomy dispenser's design is compact yet efficient, fitting neatly in kitchens, offices, or break rooms without occupying excessive space. Its intuitive operation makes it accessible for all users, with clearly marked buttons and responsive dispensing. Beyond functionality, the dispenser offers a quiet and smooth performance, suitable for environments where noise is a concern. Many users highlight its consistent water temperature control, which maintains the desired level of heat or coolness for prolonged periods.
Number 4. NEESMOCO Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The NEESMOCO Hot and Cold Water Dispenser is a versatile all-in-one water bar that combines multiple functions in a compact design. It delivers instant heating, cooling, room temperature water, and ice-making capabilities, offering 7 temperature settings from 39 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 volume options for precise beverage preparation. This makes it ideal for brewing coffee, tea, milk powder, or preparing instant meals with exact temperature control. Its high-performance ice maker produces bullet-shaped ice in just 6 minutes, with a maximum daily capacity of 26 pounds. Advanced insulation technology preserves cold temperatures, ensuring ice melts slower and beverages remain refreshingly chilled. The built-in 800 milliliter water tank provides near-freezing water for an invigorating drink at any time. NEESMOCO integrates smart operation features, including infrared sensors to automatically replenish water or stop operation when full, saving energy and reducing the need for manual supervision. Self-cleaning and wastewater drainage functions maintain hygiene effortlessly, while the compact countertop design fits neatly in kitchens, offices, or small beverage bars. Despite its multifunctionality, the unit operates quietly at approximately 35 decibels, allowing use in environments where low noise is essential. Users appreciate the combination of convenience, speed, and advanced features as it ensures fresh water, precise temperatures, and ice availability without frequent attention.
Number 5. SOOPYK Hot and Cold Water Dispenser. The SOOPYK Hot and Cold Water Dispenser is a multifunctional appliance designed to meet the hydration needs of any home or office. Capable of dispensing hot, cold, and room temperature water, it also features a built-in ice maker, producing up to 22 pounds of bullet-shaped ice daily. The dispenser's touchscreen control panel is user-friendly, providing clear indicators for ice production, water cooling, and hot water readiness. Safety is paramount, with a child safety lock on the hot water spout to prevent accidental burns, while the dispensing system ensures easy access for all users. The self-cleaning function enhances hygiene, allowing the unit to clean itself automatically when activated, reducing the need for manual maintenance. Its compact design fits comfortably in kitchens, offices, or common areas, making it convenient for frequent use. Users find the combination of ice making, multiple water temperatures, and straightforward operation highly beneficial, especially in busy households or workplaces. The SOOPYK dispenser provides a reliable supply of ice and water, with its internal storage container keeping ice ready for immediate use. Its innovative features, combined with child safety measures, ease of use, and automatic cleaning, make it a practical and efficient choice for anyone seeking a versatile water dispensing solution. This unit not only delivers refreshingly cold water and soothing hot beverages, but also streamlines maintenance and operation, ensuring a safe, enjoyable, and convenient hydration experience every day. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.